So in this particular IGCSE question, let us see how to shade a region that satisfies the given set of inequalities. 3 inequalities are given here. So we begin by sketching the involved lines in the figure, for which we will have to ignore the inequality and make it an equal to sketch the lines given. And always remember, when there is only a lesser than or a greater than, it has to be a dotted line, which means points on the line are not considered. When there is a less than equal to or a greater than equal to, that is an equal to tags alone, it's got to be a solid line, which means points on the line are considered as well. Here, since I am doing it digitally on the stylus here, I'm not going to be able to draw a dotted line that perfectly. I will draw a light colored line and show you the variation. So, the equations that we need here are y equal to 1, y equal to 2x plus 2, x plus y equal to 3. Let us begin by sketching the lines. Y equal to 1 is clearly a horizontal line. Y equal to 2x plus 2. Now, how do you sketch an equation of a line? It is easy if you find the x and y intercepts. So, for y equal to 2x plus 2, when x is 0, y is 2. When y is 0, x is minus 1. So, 2 minus 1. This is y equal to 1. I'll write it beside. This is going to be y equal to 2x plus 2. Immediately write the equation next to it so that you understand which is what. We are having a lot of lines in picture, so you don't want to get confused. Let me show the variation here. Since I said dotted, because here and here it is only greater than and less than. There is no equal to tagging along. So clearly these two have to be dotted, which we have done. And the last one, which is x plus y lesser than 3. For that, again, how do you get the x and y intercept? For x plus y less than 3, when x is 0, y is 3. When y is 0, x is 3. So clearly, a downsloping line that passes through these 2 points. Like I mentioned, immediately write the equation of the line next to it. So we have the 3 lines now. The red is a solid, the other 2 are dotted, and I've shown them here. Now comes the shading portion. Y greater than 1 is fairly easy because it is a horizontal line. A horizontal or a vertical line is easier for us to visualize and shade. Obviously, y greater than 1 means the portion above the line. The question clearly says shade the unwanted region. So, if y greater than 1 is the inequality, we should be shading the opposite. So, y lesser than 1 is the unwanted side that we should shade. Clearly, the line below y equal to 1. Now, y less than 2x plus 2. For a diagonal line, how do we determine? The line is like this. There are 2 portions to the line, to the left and right of it. Let us see how. Y equal to 2x plus 2. Choose any point that does not lie on the line, preferably origin. This is for convenience. So, put 0, 0 in the equation of the line, substitute and check. Upon doing so, y 0, so LHS 0. Right hand side is 2 into x plus 2. 2 into 0 plus 2 gives you 2. Between a 2 and a 0, the correct sign that should be is less than, because this inequality makes sense. If our sign matches with the sign given in question, it means the point we chose is on the wanted region. We chose origin. Origin is to the right side of the slanting line, which means this is wanted, but they have asked us to shade the unwanted. So let us shade the part to the left of the line. Now that is done. Similarly, for the last line, x plus y equal to 3. Choose origin again. That makes the LHS 0 plus 0 a 0, and RHS is already 3. Between a 0 and a 3, again a less than should come. We have less than here, the question is less than equal to. Again the signs match, which means 0 is indeed on the wanted side. The line is like this, so this side and this side are the two regions that you can separate. 0 is on this side, so clearly I will shade the portion to the right hand side. Now we have done what the question has asked us to do, which is shade the unwanted region. When we do so, we clearly see one portion that is not shaded or is left white. That is the region bounded by this triangle. So clearly, this particular region bounded by these three lines is R for us. And this is how you do a typical linear programming or shading a region based on inequality question. Hope that helped. I will see you in another video. Thank you.